Last time we ate this lumpia was delicious. We deep fried it. We bought this from Costco. But the directions tell you to air fry it. So we just got a new Breville air fry oven. I wanted to see, is air fried lumpia actually good? So this will be really quick. Quickest dinner I've made in a very long time. We're talking 20 minutes. Preheat air fryer to 390. Place lumpia into air fryer basket in a single layer. We can do that for 8 to 10 minutes. Look how easy and fast that is. Remove from air fryer and let stand for 2 minutes. So that's gonna take 10 minutes plus 2 minutes. You know what's gonna take a long time is the green beans. I'm gonna get that ready. This is ready to cover.
Nice.
Yes.
Can I make seaweed faces with rice?
Oh, for sure. We gotta have seaweed faces. Turn this down. That's 17 minutes. Green beans are 20 minutes. That's already preheating. That'll be last because this is the fastest because of air fryer. This is some garlic olive oil I used yesterday for the pasta. It's what I used for the broccoli that I roasted, so it's perfect for today. Salt. Any of that. Pepper. Something different. Panko breadcrumbs. See how that works out. This is a little bit new, a little bit different. I'm hoping that the girls like it. Honey, I'm doing panko breadcrumb green beans.
Also, what?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep. Air fry, 390. Let's just go ahead and start. There we go. Oh, I like the colors of our new air fry oven. Right into that. Alright. There we go. Set that to Mia insisted we make these cute little kitty rice balls.
Yes. I just looked kind of for Westman, so I made my own.
It's perfect. It's literally perfect. So
I'm gonna
can't wait for
this
this
for each
rice ball to be transformed. Whoa! Okay, that's definitely done. Those are looking amazing so far. Everything's taking a little bit longer. Funny enough, except the rice. Alright, those are good. Oh yeah! Oh, that looks amazing. Woo! Alright, so these little sauce packets come. We don't need these because we do have our own sweet chili, but it was actually pretty good last time, so I'll use this. Presentation. You can get that. Lumpia's air fried, green beans are roasted, even though those look air fried. The sauce is ready. And then somebody is gonna make designs for the rice. Alright, tell me what's going on here.
That's for Leah.
Okay.
This one is a panda.
Yeah.
And this is a cat.
Oh.
Oh, first you have to put water.
Really?
Yeah, to make it not stick. Doesn't want to stop dancing.
Okay, well, I'll do the first one.
Does this taste like the other lumpia?
Woohoo!
Does this taste like the other lumpia? No.
Why don't you try it? You tell me. You want to be the first one? It still might be hot though.
This one will be bad. JB's.
Her, do you want me to vlog you doing it?
Yeah. This JB's is the cat. Oh, it smells like bread. Okay, that is the eye.
You want me to make another one on another plate?
Yes, please.
Woohoo!
JB is the first person. You got like.
Okay, so everyone's taking forever.
No. There was a concert.
I know, it sounded fun.
So it wasn't very fun. Wow, they're big.
What else?
The lumpia. Did you make it?
No.
You know what?
No, I'm asking now.
I'll take it.
Did you make it? Is it store-bought?
I don't want to ruin it for Judy.
Oh,
You know what?
Costco. No wonder they're so fat.
It takes me forever to deep fry.
DVD
Air frying these in 12
That's
minutes.
your opinion, Kia. I do not. They do not taste like the other ones.
Whoa.
No, what you
All right, 3, 2, 1.
I told you it's mine. Oh, Daddy, can you flip one, please? After.
Did you try with the sauce?
Daddy?
It's way better with the
Deep fried?
Can you flip
fried,
one?
but it's still good.
What do you think though? She got a crispy one.
It's good, but it kind of smells like corn dogs.
It's no comparison to Judy's lumpia. It's just the best.
Yeah, I mean,
Judy has perfected lumpia, but still, just like when it was deep fried, this was fast. When I'm deep frying, you're talking heating the oil, being outside. This, I mean, this was cooked on in 12 minutes. Wow, that's cute. Okay, you guys, so,
Mia, look, I took a better picture than
I don't know. Well, then you have to give it a rating. Last time,
6.5.
6.5.
I
Well,
It's a 4 points right here.
What?
5.
know. It's a 1.
Bella's the
What do you
real
think?
critic.
What do you think?
Minus
She's come from a concert, so. It was too
Here,
hard.
let me bite it for her.
I know. It's no, thank you.
No, the crispiness.
It's I give it rating no. Thank you.
Bella,
Baby.
is it good? Oh, see? Thumbs up.
Baby approved.
Okay.
Daddy, I think that this is really
I'll make
Pull up.
okay bad compared to the mommy's.
Okay. Of course, if you compare it to mommy's.
0.
My last verdict is
Baby, I love you.
convenient to air fry it because
Please
no
slide.
splatter, no hot oil,
A panda.
not too smelly, but it doesn't compare to deep frying.
I love the smell of
But if you don't want to deep fry it, still worth it. All gone. Trust me, I wasn't the only one that ate it.